So how can you set Google as your homepage in Safari? Let me talk about it and let me show you how it works and what you're going to do about it. So if you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Now, of course, you can open up your Safari and manage some different things and whatever appears right here. So you can customize like the new Safari tab page when you can click on the edit and uncheck all of the things, like for example turn off all of the reading lists and recently closed tabs and stuff like that, but you only decide to keep the favorites in here. And what you can pick is that the favorites are going to contain the Google shortcut, so you're just one click away. So you can basically just go to google.com, tap the button next to the URL, click on more and add it to your favorites, so it's going to appear right there in the new tab, right? So it could all work, whatever, but I'm going to show you one more method which I believe is going to be the best one. And even though it's still a workaround, but I believe that it is basically going to serve you well. So you will as well just open up the google.com like that, and what you will do instead is to tap on the three dots next to the URL, click on share, and I want you to add it to the home screen. Right, so when you click on more options, you can see I have the ability to click on add it to home screen, and I'm not going to choose it to be the web app because I want to still use it as a Safari extension, but I'm going to disable the open as web app, click on Google and add it to the home screen. And right now, instead of just going to the Safari to browse the web pages, you can go to the Google icon. It's not the Google app, by the way, it's just Safari bookmark. So you get there and it's the Google within Safari, and it's like a home page where you can quickly access it. So I hope it makes sense. Let me know if you managed to find it and make it work on your device. Let me know what you think. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for the next tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.